Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and trading strategies. And this video, I am going to discuss about Bollinger Band trading strategy. Using Bollinger Band, how we can find out a trade opportunity. That I am going to discuss here, and I am going to create you the scanners and the chartings right now. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you liked it video, you can hit the like button, press the bell icon to get notifications, and whenever we made a video, getting notified. And let's create a first 5 minutes candle falls below or which forms below the reversal pattern below to the lower Bollinger Band, higher Bollinger. So this video I'm going to find out or create a scanners the reversal pattern, that single candle reversal pattern happening below to the lower Bollinger Band. That kind of stocks, how we are going to build out by using charting skill that I'm going to make you right now. So first thing, the doji candle. Already we made a lot of videos about doji because it's a more powerful reversal candle. We are using a doji candlesticks pattern. So the first one, whatever the stock which forms a doji candle below to the lower Bollinger Band, 5 minutes, right? Even first 5 minutes also be the better one. The same one we can use for any time frame. So let me create a dashboard or a scanner for a first 5 minutes if the stock forms a lower Bollinger doji at lower Bollinger Band. So let me try to create that and finding out the stock based on the strategy. Let me try to create the scan. I have already a lot of scanners which I have created. Simply I'm going to make the Bollinger Band. So what I'm going to do, a filter group. So a lot of conditions which I'm going to mention here. We are going to find out those stock which forms such a pattern. So doji is nothing about simple candlestick pattern which we are going to find out using starting put a line, and already I have copied from my scanner. This will find out a doji which minimum to minimum value of 0.00 percentage variation from the open and close. So if that open and close, then I'm going to use that, and that here what I'm going to make that is must be less than the lower Bollinger. That one the conditions. Here we are going to use 5 minutes. That 5 minutes must be the first candle. Okay, so here we are, whatever the time frame we there is a daily, so we need to change that as a 5 minutes candle, and equal to 1 it measures the first candle. 5 minutes candle which forms a doji today. 5 minutes equal to 1 candle. 5 minutes first candle. I'm going to. So let's see, these are the stocks. Maybe first 5 minutes candle maybe doji. Let me go to take whether it is right or wrong. Bank maybe for first 5. This exactly a doji candle. At that Nifty also showing that doji. Go for a Nifty. What's happening on maybe the doji one, but not a big difference. It looks like another thing. Wipro, IPC lab or the stock doji, exact doji, and let's look at that. Wipro doji is forming lower and upper after forming that upper Bollinger Band. So this is what exact condition which I'm discussed. This was forming above and upper Bollinger. After the low was broken, 397 fell down to 3. There is a risk of 2.5 rupees, and it generated 3 rupees once it is forming at upper Bollinger. What I'm going to find out the doji where it is going to form and lower Bollinger Band. Simply we are going to use the low, the high must be, the low must be less than the lower Bollinger. What I'm going to let me do. The first 5 minutes going to below to the 5 minutes. That is the condition we have mentioned here. First 5 minutes candle which is forming a doji below the lower Bollinger Band. Sorry, high must is the lower Bollinger right one. We are finding out no stocks will be built. So we'll give this scan first. I mean private right now. So let me check is there any other stock which form lower Bollinger Band. Last 4 days we don't get any below to the lower, right? This is what the condition filter out the first one. Okay, the doji doesn't form, and let's look at the past 3 weeks. If there are any stocks which form pattern, find out if there are any. Yeah, I think on 4th of November we have a stock, maybe Infosys. This one on 4th of November forms a doji below lower. Let me go for Infosys, and we will check for Infosys on 4th of November doji below lower Bollinger Band. That we are going to 4th of November. Maybe this doji below lower, no problem at all. Maybe a stop loss trade, and if that risk for the trade is just about 5 rupees. 5-1, that high is 5-1-1518 was 1519 1513, just a 4 rupees. But initially triggers you the high, and after trigger reversal that may be generate you somewhere more than 10 points at that. Yes. So that exactly the scan will find out the stock which will be at bottom of. This is what a first indicator which I am going to find out. Okay, so the same one we can modify, same thing which we can modify for that doji which formation that happening at lower Bollinger Band. Okay, that was the first one. So we will create some other conditions, and first we find out a doji. The second we will find out hammer. Okay, we try to find out hammer which forms in the first 5 minutes. Let me go to hammer kind of thing. Hammer, if rejection, that means bullish rejection, hammer candle. That we are going to check by first hammer candle. Should be the hammer candle. Okay, so that is also I am going to copy my old scanner. Here we are going to use for one candle. That means first candle. So we are going to find out the trade opportunity by market after market. That is the second condition for that. That's, and we are going to change that points by equal to 1. So that means we are finding the such a pattern which forms on the first candle. This one will be the doji. Let me find out any, and other conditions we are going to follow. Must trade here, and that again another condition we are going to this. So this will find out a stock which forms a hammer. So let me run the scan. Any stocks which you have find. There recently we seen only few stocks last 3 weeks. Hammer doesn't go purple. I is less than the right only. Greater than. Hide this. Here. Put in the number. Means India. Let me try 𝐶𝐭 what has happened. 5 minutes time. breakout kind of a date is not greater than hammer. Is there any mistake here? We are going to below to the lower first 5, below to the lower Bollinger. Find out. We will find out based on pattern. The scan 1 month. Is there any stocks whether the scan is working or not? Don't find any stocks at even a 1 month time frame. Candle. That means first 5 minutes. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. Pattern which time frame. Mistake made here. All the candles are 15 minutes, but the high and low. Now it is all the time frame affected. Let me run that only. Find any. Most we are trying to back test more than 1 month. Yes, there is a stock 20th October. Maybe REC limit. Let me go to check on REC limited on the price is happening on 2010. 5 minutes time. Hammer candle forms below the lower Bollinger, right? It's working right now. What we are going to do? We have created Bollinger Band. That is what the doji below Bollinger Band, the first 5 minutes candle, and hammer below Bollinger Band. That is also we are finding that right. And the third one, which we are going to find out, that means that one. The spinning tops. The spinning top, which is forms below the spinning top, we are simply going to find with the method already created a pasted here. Third one, which I am copying it from my code. So here we use the daily time frame. So let we are going to make 5 minutes. That is what the first candle equal to 5 minutes. Whatever the time frame it is latest, we need to change that 5 minutes to latest one and equal to 1. The same scan can change for any candle time. 5 minutes first. First we are going to find out the stock which from the first 5 minutes that we are going to get. So the equal to 1 measures the first candle. It's 1.5 minutes. I'm changing it right now. So 3 scanners, 3 particular scan based on the Bollinger Band which we are creating on a single fund. So that may be giving you time save, and we can easily find out those pattern that out by this is what a spinning top, right? This 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes. Then you are going to change. So the strategy will work for intraday that I'm creating for intraday trade ops, either options and over the trades which we are based on this method by using a technical scanners and screeners with the help of Chartink. That almost all the time. So let me copy this line because it's a main line. Correct. Yeah. So we created it. Now if you are running the scan, check what are the stocks. The last 4 days, we got any big doji? Yes. This time of 10th November, we have 3 more stocks. And PEL, Tata Motor, Havells. These are the stocks that we go to check. 10th November. Recent trades. Quarter 10th November. Even we can change it in a 15 minutes time frame also. I'm going to check 10th November. First one is a PEL. What's happening here in PEL? Top 10th November. This top. Fix here. Time frame for change. 1. Change right now. Then right only. So let me check out some other stocks. Tata Motor and Havells. Havells. This. There is a big recovery from that one. Ten 11. Some issues with that core. We have happening here. Shut down. Try this. Okay, that may be a hammer kind of. Time frame. We are right, and we are using a 5 minutes. And we made mistakes. What we are using equal to 1 candle, so problem until end all the day it will be whatever the time frame you are checking, that will be showing only the same. Here somewhere around 3rd November, MPSs. 3rd November. Yes, MPSs works right. Spinning top, perfect spinning top, right? After that we don't have any entry opportunity. After that it's down only. No problem. But why it's not working exactly for other stocks? For about a 5 minutes only, na? Okay. So I've already taken your lot of time. So better. So we use doji and hammer. I will update you live. So one code which works for the different formats, daily time frame. Current format which forms a spinning top, daily time frame. To find out that perfect spinning top, the same which works for daily time frame. Why it's not working for a 5 minutes? Is there any other mistake you have made there? Issues with that, only spinning top. We'll add it. This will the scan. We can find out. So find out is there any other stocks. Even we can add some more conditions like spinning of hammer, shooting star. But hammer is not working right now. So, but once we updated the scanners that maybe we are using on live trades which we have made on intraday basis. This is the only one is not working right now. Whatever the time frame, if you can change the time frame, and this will be the right exact spinning top. Latest I must be less than the. That's right only. There we are using running the scan. Any of this condition is going to fall. In case we don't have any stocks in. We are waiting the data is loading or not, and all the three scanners are running on a 4th of November available. That is what Infosys. Infosys, what is happening on Infosys on 5 minutes time frame of 411. We are going to about a top only that 3 is not working, so will I update with the scanners. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I'm not going to take your most of the time here, and this will helping you to find out either a 15 over the time frame. You can find out like a maximum number of trades. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.